As a woodworker, we're always searching for tools that are game changers. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 must-have tools that will work for any size shop that I believe are game changers. Let's get into it.
This tool allows me to switch my dust collection from machine to machine simply by twisting the magnets and rolling the dust collector around the shop.
This is number 5 on my list. This is made by Magport and it comes in handy for a small shop.
This couldn't be an easier application to install. Simply mount it to the dust port on each of your machines, put one on your dust collector. I have the Dust Right mobile collector, so I can just roll this around the shop as needed. Simply connect it using the magnets, and then when you're done, disconnect it and roll it over to another machine. Easy peasy.
Number 4 on my list is the Raycon digital measuring device. This thing is a lifesaver and it's quick and efficient. Check this out.
I first saw this tool advertised on Facebook. I was naturally a skeptic because I just thought if it's digital, there's no way it's going to be accurate every time. But I put this model to the test. Simply cut a board, hit the button to zero it out, and then slide the board over to the desired thickness that you want. In this case, we're going to do a test for 6 inches. Slide the board over, make a cut, and then of course for you guys, I have to pull out my tape and double check my measurements. Boom, 6 inches, dead on. And I have to say, it's accurate every time.
This year I'm all about organization and I got these really cool French cleat wall mounts from OmniWall. I'll have a link in the description box below if you're interested, but they're really great for organization and staying efficient. They have a big list of things that can attach to these. You got lights, shelves, drill storage, you name it, they've got it. Check out this quick demo of me installing it.
It's a new year and I want to be organized and efficient. I'm displaying all my tools on shelves. Yes, they will get dust, but this way I'll be efficient because I'll know exactly where each tool is right when I need it. Gone are the days of opening drawers and cabinet doors and searching for my tools. After all, if you're like me, you never place a tool in the same place twice. This way, I can quickly look up and grab my tool.
Number 2 on the list is this fancy little tool in this box. Let's check it out. What is this tool, you ask? Well, it's a fancy little jig. It's precision made and it's a game changer. That's all you need to know. Well, maybe a little bit more information. It provides a fast and quick way of drilling holes for cabinet doors, the hardware, knobs, pulls, etc. It's really handy, and I know when I first found this tool, I got it for my shop and it was a game changer. Now all my holes for accurate, repeatable cuts are quick and efficient. Check out this quick demo, and I'm just gonna hang out underneath this pole like I'm somebody funny or cool. Or maybe not. Check out the demo.
I used to have a plastic jig. I bought it at Home Depot for a few dollars and I used it for years for all of my cabinet making, drawer faces, pulls, knobs, you name it. It was always inaccurate. After all, it was just a little piece of plastic. This tool is precision made and it's accurate and efficient. Every time, every drawer, no matter what, my pulls and knobs are perfect.
All right, number 1 on my list. Come on down, get yourself a fancy brand new joiner. Psh, no, it's not like that. This one's in my pocket. Boom.
If you're like me, you probably took a piece of painter's tape and wrapped it around your Forstner bit or marked on it with a Sharpie. You don't have to do that anymore. Adjustable stop collars are legit, and one for a Forstner bit comes in handy.
Am I right about the adjustable stop collar on the Forstner bit being a game changer? I think so. Every woodworker needs this for a shop. It's a game changer. Gone are the days of taking your Sharpie marker and marking your Forstner bit to decide the depth. This is it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below, let me know what you think. I think these 5 tools are game changers for any size shop. They're quick, they're inexpensive, and they're the way to go. All right, guys, if you like this video, subscribe, smash the like, do whatever, follow me on some other channels, but I'll see you later. All right, peace.